Our FDA team has once again come to the Mapsa Interstate Bus Station to check the goods that are coming by the interstate buses. In past few months, our focus was on restaurants, our focus was on other areas, and we thought that we need to keep a strict check on this area also where we were checking earlier. And today as we are here, we have found some bit of non-compliance. While there were some good practices that we also observed, where many of the products had come with proper label and icing. Nevertheless, few items like some frozen fruits used for shakes have come without labels. What was really alarming is tea powder today that we have got, which was having a high color content, which is prohibited. So we have seized this, and we've also checked the person who was selling this in Kolwale, who had a tea stall. We have closed that guy, and we will be imposing a strict fine on this person. Besides, the other items are fried onions, which is used for biryani, and some masalas that we have got. So overall, these are the items that we have detained today, and more or less the value of these items should be around 1.5 lakh. Okay, and what was also very important is that we were tracking on one vehicle bringing in Kaju in the state of Goa. As you know that we are fast approaching the tourist season, and we will be once again starting our strict drives on Kaju. And we had gotten information that now these Kaju are being brought in smaller vehicles, in private vehicles. And we checked one suspected vehicle, which is Eco, registered with a Goa registration number, operating in Kudal. And this vehicle had a large amount of Kaju pieces, which were being supplied to hotels for making gravies, which is not having the proper label declaration, and also the licensing was not proper. So we have detained the vehicle, and we have started an inquiry on the vehicle as well. So this has been a summary of what we have done today here at the interstate bus station in Mapsa. Approved food color आसतलो तो आमच्या हातांत ताका सॅम्पल काडून लॅबान वतकूच तेजेर टेस्टिंग जातकूच सारकें कोवतलें, बट इट लुक्स लायक इट इज सनसेट येलो कलर. सो इट मे बी यूज्ड टी लिव्स. सो यूज्ड टी लिव्स एक फावटी कलर घातले म्हणटकूच ते परते अशें ते try to sell it as fresh. So that is what we are suspecting. As you see that we've already captured, it is coming from Maharashtra. We will now inform FDA Maharashtra to go and visit this unit from where it has been sent, and take further action there, because this we believe will be supplied in other states as well.
एक जो तुम्ही फ्रोझन नुस्तें हें केल्लें आसा अशी कितकीशी हें आसा.
सो जे आयिल्ले ते आसा फ्रोझन सालमन. सो सालमनाक हाका कितें लेबल डेक्लरेशन आसलेलें, बाकीचे तेजे जे कितें आसा ते सीम्स टू बी ओके. सो दॅट इज वाय वी हॅव डिटेन्ड, एंड वी आर वेटिंग फॉर दी पार्टी टू क्लेम सो दॅट वी कॅन इश्यू अ नोटीस.
ती फूड टेस्ट केल्ल्या
ना ओन्ली सालमन.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.
हो गया शुरू पहला सेमेस्टर, सीनियर सामने नर्वस फ्रेशर्स, लेक्चर्स, हैंगआउट्स, लेट नाइट रील्स, मस्ती वाले ये अपने व्हील्स.
पहले प्यार की पहली राइड,
स्लोली स्लोली मैचिंग वाइब.
एक्टिवा एक्टिवा एक्टिवा, फर्स्ट लव बोले तो एक्टिवा. आओ करें ट्राई एक नया पाथ, क्लिक योर फर्स्ट, मेक योर मार्क.
न्यू फ्रेंडशिप का पुराना यार, लेट्स गो क्रूजिंग इन अ न्यू अवतार.
La 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 la.
Smart key and smart away, go freewheeling and fly away.
Activa activa activa,
First ride बोले तो Activa. Life को दो new start,
make a move,
go see the world
cool
baby.
and smart. हर सफर का happy part.
Activa Activa Activa.
Activa.